Pagani Huayra getting a little bit sideways when she tried to look rich. He just saved his car.
Holy shit! Woo!
Credit to daily driven exotics.
I fucked up the Lambo, nigga. Oh my god.
Crazy cameraman. Guy's experience is everything.
Yalla goodbye. Raindrop, drop top. Gib deine Mutter in Gladbach. No you will.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That was scissors.
No, you won't.
I didn't think he was gonna do it.
Guys, look at his face.
Oh, already on 2 other vlogs, but
This video have unexpected ending.
I make your speakers bang.
Americans are crazy for cars.
This is bad.
Tasty NYC donuts baked fresh. There are 2 kind of people in this world. That's one way to do it. This is how you leave a car meet in style. Have you ever seen something like this?
Switch it up.
The one that can't drift. He is driving my dream supercar. Back in 2016, this LaFerrari got overheated by excessive revving. I miss Japan and homies. That's what I call a clean drift. Nissan GTR having fun on the highway. Policeman definitely saying stop, my ears are blowing. He didn't even care a cop was right there. Money can't buy intelligence.
Bro, what the heck are you doing, bro? Bro, but that's a Ferrari, bro. It's not a house. Bro, don't you need like some masking tape for the windows?
Best custom Ford I ever seen. The Amazing's on to sync. When you forget to lower the volume. Japanese girl asked to help with the parking, but he don't even know how to start the engine.
Whoa, calm down, bro. Yo, calm down.
I never understood those people who start to honk in a traffic jam. She kidnapped some expensive cargo on this ferry. Guys, what you think about this color? The purple really looks good on the Aventador. This guy realized how stupid his car looked, so he decided to destroy too.
Oh my Lord! God damn!
It looks like a stolen Bentley. BMW 6 Series in the New York. LaFerrari sound check. V8 Toyota Supra with turbo. Wait for it. Mom not gonna believe me. Only in Japan.
Oh.
Tesla Roadster launch.
Oh, is he gonna launch it?
No way, I fucking.
Oh!
Definitely a hit and run.
Where's the motorcycles? Can you call 911?
Getting popped while eating popcorn. Girls versus boys. This car is from space. AEO whips going crazy in the car.
Big cameraman.
This clip is for GT fans. Next level drift going on here. Guys, don't forget to watch this special video. It will definitely make your day.